guys, oil, then ahos, garlic, then white onions at ang koralon. Lagay na yung karne guys, yung karne nga gigrill. Ito guys, sana guys, haluin guys, kunting halo lang guys. Lagyan ng tubig. Guys, ito na sa baw, ilagay na yung mais. Hinati-hati lang itong mais. Lagay ng bagyo beans guys, bagyo beans at saka repolyo. Yung repolyo natin, lagay ng pitsay, Chinese pitsay. Okay guys, luto na to guys. Lipat na to sa servings guys, and ready to eat na guys. Ito na guys, thank you for watching, bye bye.